Welcome. If you're looking for a way to keep your Discord account private and stop people from finding you through your phone number, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the updated steps to hide your Discord account from phone number search, so you can take control of your privacy in just a few taps. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Discord app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to secure. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile picture. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it to open your user settings. Now, scroll through the settings menu until you see an option called Content and Social. Tap on that to open up a new set of options related to how people can find and interact with you on Discord. Here's the important part. Under the Discovery section, you'll see a toggle labeled Phone. This setting controls whether people can search for your Discord account using your phone number. If the toggle is on, anyone with your number can easily find your profile. To hide your account from phone number search, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. You'll know it's off when the switch is no longer highlighted. That's it. You've now made your Discord account invisible to anyone trying to find you by your phone number. This is a simple but powerful way to boost your privacy and make sure only the people you choose can connect with you. If you ever want to change this setting in the future, just follow these same steps. Remember, protecting your privacy online is always a smart move. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on keeping your online account secure. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.